Freelance Writing, offer your writing services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Virtual assistants, provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs as a virtual assistant. Online tutoring, teach subjects or skills you excel in through platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com. Remote customer service, work as a customer service representative for companies that hire remote workers. Graphic design, create and sell graphic designs on websites like 99 Designs or Design Crowd. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Online surveys, participate in paid online surveys on websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Sell stock photos, if you're a photographer, sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Social media management, offer social media management services to businesses looking to enhance their online presence. Create and sell online courses, share your expertise on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Dropshipping, set up an online store and sell products without dealing with inventory or shipping. Freelance Programming, offer your programming skills on platforms like Toptal or Codementor. Remote consulting, provide consulting services in your area of expertise through virtual meetings. Ebook writing and publishing, write and publish ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Stock trading, learn about stock trading and invest in stocks or other financial instruments. Podcasting, start a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships, ads, or listener donations. Virtual events organizer, plan and coordinate virtual events for businesses or individuals. Sell handmade crafts, create and sell handmade crafts on Etsy. Remote data entry, offer data entry services to businesses in need of administrative support. Online language translation, if you're fluent in multiple languages, offer translation services online. Remote bookkeeping, provide bookkeeping services to businesses from the comfort of your home. App development, develop and sell mobile apps or offer app development services. Remote editing and proofreading, edit and proofread content for individuals or businesses. Fitness coaching, provide virtual fitness coaching or training sessions. Sell digital artwork, create and sell digital art on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Remote SEO services, offer search engine optimization services to businesses looking to improve their online presence. Virtual real estate agent, work as a virtual real estate agent, helping clients buy or sell properties online. Online gaming, if you're good at gaming, consider streaming on platforms like Twitch or YouTube, or participate in esports competitions. Remote IT support, provide IT support and troubleshooting services to individuals or businesses. Remote project management, offer project management services to businesses managing remote teams or projects.